The metaverse isn't just some buzzword anymore, it's becoming a real economy. And no, you don't need to be a tech genius or know how to code to make money in it. While most people are still asking, is the metaverse even real? Others are already getting paid right now inside virtual worlds. So if you're looking for new ways to earn in the digital age, this is your wake-up call. Before we dive in, hit that like button, share this with someone curious about the future, and subscribe because I'm about to show you how to get in without needing a computer science degree. First, let's talk about virtual real estate. Just like in the real world, people are buying and selling land, except it's in platforms like Decentraland and the Sandbox. You can buy plots, develop them with experiences, and rent them out to brands, artists, or event hosts. Some people are making thousands just from leasing virtual storefronts or hosting paid events on their land. Next up, digital fashion and wearables. If you have an eye for design, you can create virtual clothing and accessories for avatars. No code needed, just creativity. Platforms like Roblox, Zepeto, and Verchat have marketplaces where users actually spend real money to dress up their digital selves. If you know how to use basic 3D tools or even just partner with someone who does, you can start selling wearables today. Then there's freelancing in the metaverse. As more businesses go virtual, they need moderators, community managers, virtual event hosts, and digital marketers to handle their presence in the metaverse. If you've got people skills, social media savvy, or know how to manage online communities, there's a job for you right inside the headset. Now consider creating experiences. No, you don't need to be a coder. Platforms like Horizon Worlds let you build simple games, environments, or social spaces using drag-and-drop tools. If your world attracts users, you can monetize it through tips, subscriptions, or brand sponsorships. Finally, one of the easiest ways to earn education and entertainment. If you're a teacher, coach, or performer, you can host live sessions or shows inside VR. People pay to learn, laugh, or experience something unique, and you can deliver it globally from your living room. The point is this: the metaverse isn't just a game, it's a new economy. And like every economy, it rewards creators, connectors, and early movers. You don't need to be technical, you just need to be intentional. So, what's stopping you? Drop a comment if you're ready to earn in the metaverse, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart, future-focused financial content.